Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we will discuss all about the weather API in Node.js. Oh guys, we can say in this video we will discuss all about that how we can use any external API in Node.js. Okay guys, so let's start. These are the basically challenges for this particular video. Firstly, we will get a weather API. Then we will implement it using the request package. So that package is provided by the npm guys, so we don't have to worry anything about it. And then guys, we will implement the same thing once again using the Axios package. Okay, so these are the both packages which are provided by the npm itself. So guys, if you are following me, so now this is my folder structure of till the current videos. Okay, so now what I have done for this particular video, I have just created a folder that is weather-api. Okay, and I have just created single file same like previous index.js. So in this file I have just mentioned my challenges only. Okay, so now guys, we will move that how we can get weather API. Okay, so now guys, I will open my browser. Yes guys, so this is the basically website where we can get weather API free of cost. Okay, so now guys, here is the URL openweathermap.org. Okay, so now guys, what it needs, it just needs your account. Firstly, you have to create your account. Okay, which is also totally free. You can create just your details, just like name and email. I will just tell you, and then guys, you can create API key. Is a totally free. So now guys, what I have to do, I have to just go to the sign in, and then here if you have credentials, then you have to log in. Otherwise guys, you can just create an account. Okay, so I will just use create an account. So it is asking just the username, whatever username you want to create, you can just put it. Then it is asking for the email ID. I hope guys all of you have email ID. Okay, and then guys, it is asking for the password, and then it is asking for the repeat password. You have to type the same password whichever you have entered in this particular box. Okay guys, so now guys, you have to just check that I am 16-year-old. You have to just agree the policies of this particular site, and then after the checking CAPTCHA or validating CAPTCHA, you can just create your account. Okay, it's just a free, but guys, I will just advise you use a valid email ID address here, because guys, sometimes I have seen most of the users entered a fake email ID, just like it just crossed the validations. So just to cross the validation, what they does, they just provide any formatted email ID, just like nitin@example.com you can say, but nitin@example.com doesn't exist anywhere. Okay, so guys, in that case, you will not be able to create your API key, because what it does, when you will sign up or you will create your account, then it will just send the confirmation of your email ID. Okay, so guys, when you click the confirmation or you will confirm your email, then it will just allow you to create your API, so you can just use it. So guys, I have just tell you all the things just because of you, but I have already created my account and I can get my API key very easily. So now guys, I will just close the so I will open my browser once again. Yes guys, this is my panel of openweathermap.org. so here you can see guys, it is just showing my username here, Nitin JB, and I just created my username here. So when guys, after the creation of account, you will go to the pricing tab. Yes, when you will open the pricing, then you can see it is just showing us lot of plans here. First plan is a free plan. Okay, so guys, you can see it is just showing us 60 calls per minute. You can call 60 times in a minute to this particular API or per minute. Okay, and it is just showing us all the limitations for the monthly calls. Okay, so guys, you can use free API as well. Okay, so now guys, I have just created my API key. When you will click get API key guys, so what will happen? Yes, it is showing me you are already logged in. Then I will just go to the API section. Okay, so guys, here you can see it is just showing me all the APIs or what type of API I want. I will go to my profile. Then I have already created my API key guys, so I am just checking it. Yes guys, so these are my API keys which I have created just for the testing purposes. Okay, so I have just created already. You can create whatever API or how many API you want. You have to just pass the name here, then you have to just click on generate, your API key will be generated. Okay, so now guys, I will use this API key. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just go to the API. Yes, so now I will go to the API doc here. Yes guys, so it is providing us all the help regarding the API. Okay, so now guys, it is showing us that I can get information of the weather, current weather as per my city. So what I have to do, I have to just pass the city name here and then app ID I have to provide. That is the basically API key which I have already created. Okay, so guys, I can get a weather either with the city name or city name comma state name if any confusion regarding the multiple city names. Okay, and also I can get the information of current weather using the pin code, zip code. I will just tell you. So what I will do, I will just copy the link from here. Yes, I have just copied it and I will just paste in my browser. Yes guys, so now what I will do, I will just go to my API key which I have already created and I will just copy the same. Then I will just replace this one with my correct API key. Okay, so now guys, it is asking for the city name. So I will just type the city name here. So guys, I belong to Noida, so that's why I will just pass the Noida here. Okay, so guys, I will press enter. Yes guys, you can see it is just showing all the details of current weather. Okay, yes guys, you can see it is just showing us temperature minimum, temperature maximum, or whatever it is just showing us. Okay, but guys, you may be confused that it is showing us temperature just like 308.3130.31. Okay, so guys, you may be confused, so I will read all complete documentation here. So you can see it is just saying units. So by default it provides data in Kelvin. Okay guys, so that's why it is showing me something like this. Okay, but guys, I want data in Celsius so I can easily understand. So what I will do, I will just pass, you can see it is just showing us hints as well. What I have to do, I have to just pass units in query string and I have to just pass metric and imperial. Okay, when I will pass the metric, then it will just return me the data in Celsius. When I will just pass the imperial, then it will just return me the data in Fahrenheit. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just pass units as metric. So I will just concat and units is equal to metric. Yes guys, I will press enter. Yes guys, you can see it is just showing me the temperature in Celsius this time. Okay, so it is just showing us detail also here that name is Noida. Okay guys, you can see here, and it is just showing all the details about the weather as well, that how is the weather today. Okay, it's a mains, is clouds, or whatever type of weather is. And I can also get the weather using the pin code. So guys, pin code of the Noida is 201301. I will press enter. Yes guys, you can see it is just showing me the same result once again with the pin code. Okay, so guys, this is the basically API in your browser. Guys, you may be confused about it, that you may be getting the data like this. Yes, I will just zoom in little bit. Yes, so yeah guys, you may be getting data something like this, so no need to worry about it, because guys, I am using the extension in my browser. I am using Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome I have installed an extension that is called Json Viewer. You can also use it. Okay, so what you have to do, just to install, what you have to do, you have to just type Json Viewer, and then you can check. It is just showing us Chrome extension here. Okay, so it's a Chrome extension. You can see when you have to just click on the same, then it will just add the extension in your browser. Okay, I'm just using already, that's why I'm not going to do anything. Here you will get a link of add to Chrome. Okay, so guys, you can see it is just showing me the raw data this time, but I want to format the same, so I can just use a raw. Okay, I have to just click on raw, then it is just showing me the formatted data. It's a very understandable, so I can just read out easily. Okay, so now guys, first challenge is completed for us, that how we can get weather API. Okay, so we are using the free API in this video, so you can also use for your project. Okay, so first challenge is completed guys. Now we will implement it using request package. Yes, I have got the result in browser guys, but I want to implement the same in my Node.js. So how can I call it? Yes, So I have already discussed here that npm provides us two packages. First one is the request. So I will use the same thing. So what I have to do, guys, I have to open my command prompt. Then I go to the project. Yes, guys, I will clear my screen. Okay. So now, guys, what I will do, just to use any package, what we have to do, I hope guys you remember, we have to install it first. Okay. And in this project, before the installation, what we have to do, we have just created an index.js file here. So we don't have any file that is package.json. So just to use any particular package of npm, we have to keep package.json file in our project. Okay, guys, I hope you remember all the things, because in my previous videos I have just cleared you all the things. Okay, guys, you can see I just created a one video especially only for the npm. You can see the title, npm tutorial for beginners. What is npm? Okay, so guys, if you are confused about the npm, so I will request you to go there and just watch this video carefully, just to understand npm from scratch. Okay, I have cleared all the topics in this particular video. I will provide the link of this particular video in the description box as well, just for your convenience. Okay, guys, so now let's start. So firstly, guys, I have to initiate my npm in this particular project. So what command I have to run? I have to just type npm init. So I will just press enter. Yes, guys, now it is asking me the package name here. It is asking me package name. I can, by default it is just showing me it has just taken the same name of my folder as a package name. Okay, so now, guys, I will press enter. So actually, guys, it will ask me few details. So, and in some cases I don't want to enter these details as well, although I can just process the things by pressing enter till the end. But guys, I will tell you one more command that you can ignore all these type of things and you can just create your package.json file and use npm in a seconds. Okay, so now, guys, what I will do, I will just cancel the things. Okay, so now, guys, I will go to the Visual Studio Code. Yes, guys, you can see it's still same file, same directory structure is there, nothing has been done. So now, guys, what command I have to pass, that is npm init-y. I have to add just -y in the end, and what it will do, it will just take all the parameters value by default. Whatever we are doing the same thing, pressing enter once again. So this time it will do it automatically for us. So -y indicates yes. So we are just accepting whatever default values has been taken by the npm. So I will just press enter. Yes, guys, you can see. So it is just showing me the details as well, whatever default details has been updated. Okay. Yes, guys, how easily we can initiate npm. Okay. So guys, now what I will do, I will just go to the directory. Yes, here, guys, you can see in VS Code package.json file is created. I will just open, and guys, you can see in package.json file we have the same data whichever is displayed here. Yes. Okay, guys, so now we have initiate npm. So now, guys, package.json is created in our project. So now we can install any packages of npm. In our last videos, guys, previous videos, we have already discussed that npm provide us almost 8 lakhs of packages. So now, guys, we can use any one of them just after the initiate of npm. So now, guys, what I will do, I will go to the command prompt once again. Firstly, I will clear my screen. Okay, just to understand clearly. So now, guys, what I have to do, I have to use request package first of all. So guys, next thing I will clear you that I have a website that is npmjs.com. I have already shown you in my some previous videos as well. So this website provides us all the details of any particular package. So what we have to do, we have to just remember the package name. So I will just paste here, that is request, and I will press enter. Yes, guys, so I will click on first one, that is yes. So guys, here you can see npm is showing us all the details of this particular package. It is just showing us the command to install. It is showing that how much weekly it's getting downloaded, what's the version is running, and what's unpack size. It is showing us all the details, and the later guides it is showing us that how we can use it. Yes, what options they provide, what we can do with it, and yes, it is showing us a sample code as well. Okay guys, so it's a much simple thing guys, just to implement any particular package. So now guys, I will just do the same thing. I will just use this command. This is just showing for the help. So now what I will do, I will just use npm I request hyphen save. I will just press enter. Yes guys, so you can see it is just showing me that added 12 packages and audited 13 packages in 9 seconds. Okay, so now guys, once again I will go to VS Code editor. Yes guys, another surprise, node_modules folder is created here. Yes, so what it has, it just has all the packages which are required just to use request package. Okay, so now guys, we will use the same. So what I have to do, for your convenience guys, I will go to the npm website once again, and I will do a very simple thing. Whatever example is provided by the npm, so I will just copy this package. Okay, so we don't have to type even whatever we have to use. Okay, so now guys, it has just provided us a link here. This is the basically external API we are going to use. So just to use any package, next what we have to do, we have to just require it first. So what I will do, I will just use request is equal to require. Yes, so I have just required the package which I am going to use. I have just copied the code or sample code from the npm website guys, because when npm is providing us so much help, so why we don't check it from both ends. Okay guys, also we can type it, but just because of a time shortage, I'm just copying the same. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just remove this URL from here, and I will go to my browser wherever I have just created my API. So this is my API. I will just copy it and I will just pass here. Yes guys, yes, you can see what I have done. I've done by simple things. I have just used a request, then first argument it expect URL. Okay, so I have just passed the URL. So what guys, this package provides us lots of options. Okay, so guys, you can see it's providing us options like streaming. These are the basically optional. So you can provide if you want. Streaming it also provides. Suppose you want to read the data from an API in a streaming manner. We have already discussed in last video how streaming it works. Then guys, we have to pass the method if I want to provide. By default, it takes get as default method. Then mode, headers, and timeout, that how much time it will wait to get a response from an API. Okay guys, so these are the basically optional parameters you can pass if you want. Okay, method is a much more needed. Suppose guys, you have to call a API using the post method, but this API is getting called by get method. Okay, so guys, I will just ignore all these parameters here in this particular case. So what I will do, I will just remove options here. Yes guys. Okay, so now guys, I have just done and once again very simple things. Request, and then it's basically our event. It will be called whenever we receive any data from the API. So this is the basically console.log chunk. Whatever data we will receive, we will just console the things, and then if on the end guys, if there will be any error from the API, so we will just display the error, otherwise we will just display the end. So guys, I have done nothing here. We can say I have just copied the code of request package from the npm website, and I just changed the URL and just remove the options, because and this time we don't have to need it. Okay, so now guys, I will just save it. I will go to the command prompt. I will execute node space index.js. I will press enter guys. Yes guys, you can see that it is just showing us request is not defined. Yes, it is showing us error because guys, I'm using request here, but here what I have done, I have just taken as request, so I have to just pass as here. Okay, so now guys, I will call once again. I will clear my console. Yes guys, you can see I have just got all the data which is returned by the API. This is the same data guys which we are getting in the browser. Okay, when we talk about the raw data. Yes guys, so this is the basically request method that we can call any particular API we want, either using the get method. By default it is taking as get, but guys, suppose we want to call the API using post method. So what I have to do, I have to just pass method and then post. Okay, so now I will just show you guys what will happen here in this case. Yes, you can see it is showing us same data once again guys, because this API is provided by both the methods, but in some case guys, API is provided by a single method. So whatever single method is, so you can pass here. Okay, so now guys, second challenge is also completed for us, that how we can implement weather API using request package. Okay, yes guys, so now what I will do, I will just comment all the things. I'm just telling you all about the guys packages, because when we will create the project, then guys, all these things will be used. So guys, just watch it carefully and understand the all things. But still, if you have any doubts, just ask me in the comment section. But guys, don't let confusion inside your mind. Okay, so now guys, I will use Axios package. Yes, so I will do the same thing once again. I will go to the website, that is npmjs.com. Okay, I'll just open here and then I will just pass the package name. I will press enter, or I can click on search. So I will just go to the package. Yes, it is showing us same thing guys. This is the basically command. How much easier is to use any package of Node.js or npm. And we have already seen that npm provides us almost this type of packages, almost 8 lakhs. So guys, we can use any one of them very easily. And you can see how much popular this package is. Almost 17 millions downloaded weekly. Yes guys, you can see how much popular this is. So now guys, I will use, so firstly I will install using the command. I will go to the command prompt and I will clear my screen. Then npm install Axios, then -c. I'm using -c because guys, sometimes it doesn't save the details of install packages in our package.json file. I will show you my package.json file what has been changed. Yes, you can see initially we have installed the request package. This is the basically version 0.3.0 which is installed currently, and this is the package, and this is the Axios. This is the basically package version. So now guys, this package has also installed successfully. Okay, you can see it has just added 2 packages and audited 15 packages. So now guys, we have installed it. So we will go to the main program. We will use it once again. So what I have to do, I have to just require it first before the use. Okay guys, yes, I have just required it. Now I will use it. Okay, so now guys, I will check all the details just for your convenience guys. I will show you all the details and how we can use it. npmjs.com provides us all the details. Yes, I have done the same on my project. Okay, so now guys, you can see it's just providing us once again a sample code just to use. Okay guys, so you can do it very easily. If you want to perform any get request, so guys, you have to use axios.get. If you want to process any post method request, then you have to use axios.post. So I will perform the get request first of all. So what I will do, I will just copy the same. Yes guys, so I just taken the code from there. So what it is doing, it has just used axios.get method. Then I will just pass the URL. So I will copy the URL from here guys, and I will just pass the URL here. Yes guys, I will just pass the URL here. So now guys, whenever this request will be completed, our callback that is then will be executed. Okay, and it will just show me the all the response guys. And guys, one more thing, Axios by default return the data or treat the data as a JSON always. Whenever guys you are using Axios, so it will be great that you are using the API should always return the data in JSON. Okay, although you can guys convert it if it is not showing the data in JSON, but by default it expects data in JSON format. And it is the basically catch. This will be fired when there will be any error in our API. and guys, this is the then, and in the end guys, it will be executed. Okay, so now guys, I will come in this box, but basically because I don't have any error in my API, so I will just save the things and I will run my program once again. I will clear my screen, node space index.js. Yes guys, you can see guys the data. This is the basically data which is provided by the API. Okay, so guys, suppose it is just showing me lot of details here. It is just showing me all the details. So I don't want to get these details because I don't have to work with all these. I want only data that is written by my API. So what I have to do, I have to just use response dot data. Okay, I will just save it and I will clear my screen and I will rerun my program. Yes guys, you can see this time I'm getting the data which is provided by the API only. Yes, you can see this is the basically data provided in the object. Okay guys, so you have understand that how we can use Axios method just to call any API. And guys, suppose in some cases we have post request that our API will work only post methods. So what we have to do, we have to just do a very simple thing guys. We have to just use Axios.post here instead of get. What I have done, I have just used Axios.post. Yes guys, you can see I will just save it once again and I will rerun my program after clear my screen. Yes, it is just showing me same data once again guys, because my API is working for both the methods. I have also shown you using the request method. Okay, and guys, one more thing. Suppose I don't want to pass my parameters something like this, or we can say when we will use the post method, so then we can't pass our parameters in URL. Guys, be careful. So what in that case, what we have to do, we have to just pass as a options. So what I have to do, I have to just pass the first argument as a URL, then I have to just pass all the parameters in form of object. So Q is 201, then I have to just pass comma here, then app ID, this is the basically JSON object I am just providing here. Units will be metric. Okay guys, so guys, what I have done, I will just show you. I have just passed these parameters in a JavaScript object, because guys, whenever we will use the post method, then we can't pass the variables in browser. We have done the mistake earlier in the post request, but this time this is the method guys provided by the Axios, that when we have to pass the form data, suppose we are going to submit a form using post method, then this is the basically process in which we have to pass all the parameters of our form data. Okay guys, so I will just save the things and I will clear my screen once again and I will rerun. Yes guys, this time I am getting error. Is Axios error true? So invalid API key, it is just showing me guys invalid API key. Okay guys, so what has been done, it has been just come in my cache. This time it is come in my cache. So this time guys, we are getting the error as invalid API key. This is because guys, whatever API I have used, they are not accepting the data using post method. Okay, or we can say they are accepting the roots with both the methods, either from the get or post, but guys, they are not accepting the data using post methods like this. Okay guys, so guys, this is the basically all about the Axios package in Node.js. So this challenge is also done guys. I hope so guys, you have understand all about the external API or weather API and how we can call any external API. But guys, still if you have any problem regarding the same, then you can directly ask me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, we will meet in the next video and we will learn something new. So guys, till that time, take care.